Property and facility management is ever-changing, and cleaning is more important now than ever before. Managers must be able to prepare for the unexpected, ensure a safe and hygienic environment for staff and guests, and constantly administer efficient use of resources. How does one stay ahead of this ever-changing unpredictability and increased expectation of hygiene standards? Tork Vision Cleaning uses real-time data that empowers teams to work smarter by knowing exactly where and when there are urgent needs, all targeted at maximizing efficiency to create extra hours in your day for increases in hygiene demands. The system uses sensors that monitor visitor traffic, as well as consumption levels for soap, sanitizer, paper hand towels and bath tissue, and digital cleaning software for your staff to secure the new hygiene standard. Monitoring traffic patterns and consumption levels enables you to rest assured that guests will always have access to essential hygiene products. Reducing unnecessary dispenser checks and streamlining cleaning plans helps use time more effectively to comply to heightened standards by reallocating staff to the highest traffic touchpoints. All your data is stored in a secure cloud and transferred to a centralized software platform accessible in real time. This provides visibility to analytics that drive more strategic staff and inventory. It's designed to drive better management of your facility and keep you thinking ahead. Tork Vision Cleaning empowers you to eliminate the guesswork, stay prepared, and solve issues before they arise. Use data to work smarter, not harder, to secure the new hygiene standard.